Hello, welcome to English Sprout. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. Today we're going to talk about record and its many meanings. Also, we're going to talk about how it is used in different situations. First, let's look at four common meanings. The first, something on which sound or visual images have been recorded. A record can mean a vinyl disc used to play music. For example, he collects old jazz records. Even though music is digital now, record is still used for albums. Next, a record can mean something that preserves information. For example, the school keeps a record of every student's grades. Here, record simply means information that is saved or stored. A record can mean a written account of that stored information as well. That means that my school has my transcript record on file. This type of record is important for keeping track of real events. Next, a record can mean the best or highest achievement. For example, she set a world record in the 100-meter race. Here, a record is something remarkable, the top performance. Lastly, a function of an electronic device that causes it to record. It records data. It stores the data for replay. Our final reminder, record can mean a vinyl music disc, an official document, a top achiever, and it can also mean a set of data that has been stored. If you have any questions about this record, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for stopping by today, and I hope you've enjoyed this recording.